It's pumpkin season, butternut season, and there are different ways you can actually enjoy it. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be making creamy butternut and other vegetables cream. You can make it porridge, but on this video I just want to show you what I did. So here I have zucchini, have red onion, and I just have one old carrot that I have in the fridge for a very long time. So what I'm going to do is to dice each and every one of these vegetables. You don't have to dice it very tiny, just cut it as in chops. And then you're going to open this butternut and then take out the seed. When I was growing up, we actually ate it with the seed. The seed is very, very delicious. But I have not tried the seed here. So that is the reason why I am going to take them out, because I don't know how they will actually come out. And again, I just wanted to make puree with this. So take out the back of the butternut. Okay guys, actually you don't need to take out the back, but this has been sitting in the kitchen for a while. So I feel that the back is very, very strong. It has dried a bit, so that is why I am taking off the back. If you are lucky enough to buy one that is very, very fresh, go ahead and cook it with the back. The back is edible. Okay, so you're going to chop all this. After chopping it, you don't need to wash, so you wash before you actually start chopping your vegetables. It's not advisable to wash your vegetable after you might have peel them or slice them. Then you're going to add a bit of groundnut oil, olive oil, any oil of your choice inside a pot. Please do not use a sticking or this non-sticking pot that they use now, that they use plastic to coat. No, use original iron pot or pots like this, original ones. So you're going to add other vegetable inside and fry it a bit. This is just to give it this smoky taste. So you are going to add your herbs. This is just herbs here that I've just added. Any herbs of your choice is okay, whatever it is that is available. Then you're going to add a little water. I'm not making soup here, okay? So I want to make something that looks like puree. So I'm not going to add a lot of water, because the vegetable, all of them are going to also produce their own water. So this is celery that I got from my German parents' garden. So that is what I also added. And then added chili flake, like chili pepper inside it. And after 20 minutes, this is what we have. The vegetables are cooked, properly cooked. Now, if you like, you can just eat this like this. You can add it on top of your rice, on top of your beans, add it to different things and just enjoy it. Okay, so I am just going to eat this first portion just like this, that looks like real porridge. This is how I'm going to enjoy it. And then the rest of it, I am going to make it as puree, which you can also feed your kids or those who find it very difficult to chew food. So I'm just going to make this. Use your hand mixer to mix or blend everything. And this is the reason why you should actually use a good pot if you are going to blend this right inside the pot. So it is ready to be eaten, and I'm going to serve some for myself. Thank you for watching.